Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Momoa Ascension. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be drawing Aquaman from the upcoming movie in December. Really excited about that movie. But first, I'll take you through my thought process, kind of what I do. I usually start with an outline and then kind of build up from there. So yeah, if you guys are interested, let's get started. Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're drawing Aquaman. So basically the first thing I do is sketch out the pose and a basic composition. I typically sketch out different poses on paper, and for today I decided on this one. I thought it was the most dynamic and the most appealing. And this is obviously sped up, so I recommend to always take your time with your work. This one took me approximately about 5 hours to complete. So like I said, take your time, don't rush it. I've been guilty of that before, and trust me, it will show in the end. Oh, and by the way, the program I am using is called Autodesk Sketchbook. It's really easy to learn and use. I've also used Photoshop and other Adobe Creative applications. However, I tend to use this one specifically for drawing, and it's an awesome tool in a way more affordable application in my opinion. I believe it's free, but if you want all the brushes and all the presets that come with it, I believe it's around $30 US. Now don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure. So oh, and with that said, I'm by no means sponsored by them. I just think it's a wonderful tool to have for people who love or like drawing digitally. One thing I do want to say is practice. Can't stress that enough. Practice the human body, use different poses, different angles, different sizes. And if you guys want me to do, specific tutorials on how to draw hands, legs, eyes, hair, whatever it is, just let me know down in the comment sections below. And as you can see here, guys, I'm just basically doing a bunch of little details, feathering. A bunch of comic book artists do this. And as I mentioned before, these are the presets that the program comes with. I decided to go with a cross-hatching texture. It kind of gave the look of the armor that he wears in the movie. It was pretty difficult to find a reference photo because the movie hasn't come out yet. But I did my best and came up with, with designs on my own. And like I said, it's your drawing. You can do whatever you want with it. When it comes to color, guys, I basically just start with a dark color. That way I can go in later and just add the highlights to give it that three-dimensional look. And yeah, guys, in a little bit you will see me start on the background, and it's just basically layers on layers. Every detail counts. It's headed to go with the waves that you see in a second. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video up to this point. Like the video, share it with your friends. Really help the channel grow. And you guys, I'll see you in the next one, and hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Guys, that's basically it. Hopefully you guys found that informative, and if you did like it, be sure to drop that like down below, comment what you guys want me to do next, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you.